Got the new parts right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put this old boot back on because oh, your battery's dead. The truck just died. We're where are we now? What is going on, guys? This is a spark plug. So, last video we had a problem with spark plug was wrong, so I got a new spark plug. It took a few days to get that. We had another problem. The spark plug boot that fits on the top cap of this spark plug right here, that boot was completely wrong. So now I gotta find another boot. I think I have an idea before I go to the store. Let's go check that. Ooh, see, that's the right cap, but it's not deep enough. Does the Honda have the juice we need? Oh my gosh, it looks like it does. What? Oh, Honda. Whoo boy. I don't know about it. None of these boots fit for some reason. I don't know why. I'm gonna unplug or take this boot off, and the boot just pops right off. Oh. What? Are you fucking kidding me? What? That's about the most ignorant thing I've ever freaking seen. That is ass. Are you serious? Literally nothing can go right with this bike. Also, another thing that I just noticed, look, the foot peg's broken. And I don't just mean that it's not there. Like, look, the actual foot peg itself is completely broken. You see that? You see it cracked right there? And look at this right here. What even? That's JB Weld. They must have cracked the frame right here. That most definitely is JB Weld. Are you serious? There's a broken off bolt here. Remember how I said there was a red chain guard on the bike? That's completely broken off, and that's broken right there. If I had to guess, I'd say they stepped on it. I don't know what I'm gonna do about this quite yet. I'm gonna drill out this hole, see if I can get a tap and die in there, and see if I can get another chain guard on there, because it's not good to ride without a chain guard. Well, I just broke off the drill bit. All right, new drill bit. So we've got a good size hole in there. Now what I want to do is get some penetrating fluid on it. I'm going to see if I can use one of them tools to take bolts out if they're stripped. This is one of them bolt taker outer machines, and I'm going to use this right here. Put these off to the side. So this is reverse threaded, so that way you can take a bolt out. So you put it on the drill, you drill in it reverse. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's just bringing it right out. That's nice. Sweet. Awesome. Now, I just fixed someone else's mess up. Simple as that. I could put it back in if I want to. Or I could take it back out. Okay, whatever this thing is, I like it. This thing's sweet. After further inspection, there's enough thread in there for it to grab all the way. And I'll be able to get a chain guard on there pretty good. So I'm going to put this sprocket back on, and I'm going to see if I can get the stock chain guard that I have for this bike on. Alright, so I got the chain guard on. This bolt's long enough, it's just right, but this one is too long, so I'm going to have to cut that a little bit. I'm going to have to cut this just a little bit, probably about to there, and then it should be good. That should be good. So if you'll notice, these threads are goofed right now. So I need to fix those with this die. So I have that in there. The thread width is 1/4 inch and the pitch is 28. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this, make sure I have the right die for the bolt I have on there. This is not the preferred method. Usually you use a lot of lube and all that stuff, but I really don't care because it's literally just using a bolt. So let's go ahead and bolt that in there. If I didn't know any better, I'd say that's perfect. Got that on, at least one part's fixed. But I don't even know if the dang thing runs. So let's try and see if I can find another boot for that. Alright, so we got option 1. We can ride in my truck. But it might be a little bouncy. Or we can do option 2 and ride in your truck.
I think we should go option 2.
I wanted to try my truck.
I don't really feel like driving on a trampoline right now.
Hey, quiet with all that. There's only one way to do this when you don't have turning radius. Woo! His tires are too big, so he had to spin it in order to get it turned around. That was great, Nate. That was great. Rock! Rock has the parts. So we got new spark plugs and the boot that'll fit. Thank you, Rock. That was greatness. What? What the fuck's happening? What is going on? Why is it doing this? Does it even say you're throwing a code though?
The only thing it's showing is ABS.
Oh, battery. Oh, your battery's dead. The truck just died! Mate, we gotta push! We gotta push! The battery just died! I'm so glad I was recording. Oh, the window barely goes down.
Well, don't roll it all the way down.
Alright, wait! I gotta tell him to stop. Oh, this is good.
What the fuck just happened? Turn!
So we're trying to get the dirt bike to start and his truck dies.
Oh, option one.
Option one was definitely the better option.
Better option.
Let's call friends. Hey, drive it forward a little bit more so it's in a spot I'll push.
I was gonna say, yeah, let me put it in drive real quick.
Hey, emergency ABC SpaghettiOs. And Nate's fuel pump just went out. We're stuck. Hi. Austin to the rescue.
I think we need your trailer.
I don't trust that. Oh yeah, nope, 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 nope.
Hit my truck.
No.
Oh.
There we go. This is not gonna work.
I don't have any turning radius. That's the problem.
Your truck's so ugly with stock tires on it. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but golly, it doesn't look good compared to what it was. All right, so we got the truck on the trailer. All right, let's freaking L do and L did and just do it. All right, we're getting there for the trailer. I have an idea.
This dude is wild. How you gonna get back across?
Walking back across.
Oh shit.
I almost just took a dump. Bust down, Tatiana. Bust down, Tatiana. Got it. Be wild and do stupid stuff like I did. Just don't fall, like I didn't. All right, so we got the truck over at Mr. John's shop. We're gonna pull it in this bay this time, and hopefully we can get this done in just a little bit. Nate, when I put your truck in park, your subs make a weird sound. Your truck is goofed. Fast forward to the next day, Nate's working on his truck right now. I ended up getting a ride home because it took a lot longer than it was supposed to take, so they're finishing that right now, and I still need to finish the dirt bike for you guys. So, got the new parts right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put this old boot back on because apparently this will work with the new spark plugs that I've got. Well, I'm just gonna put the boot on and I'm gonna make sure I have good spark. I'm gonna test it against the frame, and what I'm gonna do by testing it against the frame is I'm just gonna sit right here with the boot on top of it and then kick the Kickstarter, and if I see a spark right there where the spark plug is, then it'll be good to go. All right, so I got the spark plug in, it had good spark, and it actually was a lot stronger of a spark than the previous plug. Got the tank on, got the gas hooked up and everything. Now I just gotta wait for the carburetor to fill up that bowl right there, and then once it does, in theory, it should start, but it probably won't because that's how things happen with this bike. So let's go ahead and try. Got the spark plug in, and that does not seem to be the problem. So our valves are most likely bad. Look, a cow. Hi. Moo! 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 I know you liked the video. You liked it. Give a video a thumbs up for beef. It's what's for dinner.
Fire, get ready to take it higher. Real nigga coming out your amplified. Y'all want every black man to be rich and pride. Why these white boys fuck up and turn into shy, huh? Cell phone became your brother. Internet replace your mother. You leaving homies on red. It's no wonder all your friends dead.